Sayyidina Ibn Mas'ud radiyallahu anhu, we find a narration that inna sidqa yahdi ila al-birr, that sidq, truthfulness, leads to goodness.
Subhanallah.
Wa inna al-birra yahdi ila al-jannah,
Subhanallah.
and goodness leads to paradise.
Subhanallah.
Wa inna al-rajul la yasduq hatta yuktaba inda Allahi siddiqa, and a man, he continues to tell the truth until he is written as a siddiq in the court of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Siddiq meaning somebody who speaks the truth a lot. The next portion of the hadith though, the beloved Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he says, وَإِنَّ الْكَذِبَ يَهْدِي إِلَى الْفُجُورِ, then lying leads to fujur, fisq, fujur, sin. And then what happens? وَإِنَّ الْفُجُورَ يَهْدِي إِلَى النَّارِ, and sinning, fujur, leads to the fire of hell.
Allahu Akbar.
And then وَإِنَّ الرَّجُلَ لَيَكْذِبْ حَتَّى يُكْتَبَ عِنْدَ اللَّهِ كَذَّابًا, a person continues to lie until he is written as a kadhab in the court of Allah. Kadhab, somebody who lies a lot, a big liar. Both of these, Siddiq, somebody who extensively tells the truth, and kadhab, somebody who lies a lot. Both of these words, they contain the meaning of doing something a lot.